Good morning, everyone. Well, we already cooled down yesterday, but it's going to get even colder today. Check out the high temperatures that we're expecting. Some only topping out in the upper 40s. I think that's going to happen in Omaha, Council Bluffs, Fremont, Columbus, York, and it's going to be no warmer than the low 50s today. Lincoln 51, Beatrice 51, Hebron 51. Sunny to mostly sunny skies, but the other thing that we have to keep in mind for today, it is going to be windy this afternoon with gusts around 30 miles per hour. So with those gusts around 30 miles per hour and these high temperatures, this is what it's going to be feeling like. Only the upper 30s mainly, where we're going to be in the upper 40s, and where we reach the low 50s, probably no warmer than the low 40s. So this is what you need to be prepared for this afternoon with those windy conditions. And tonight is going to be really, really cold. Definitely feeling like winter, not October, because these temperatures are actually pretty close to record lows. Looks like we're just going to miss them by a few degrees, but getting awfully close with some, yes, getting into the upper teens, and it's going to be no warmer than the low 20s. And the wind isn't going to completely go away. Yes, it's going to die down, but winds are going to stay around 10 miles per hour. So when you head out the door, early Tuesday morning, look what it's going to be feeling like. We're talking about low to mid-teens for our feels like temperatures. Very late Monday night, early Tuesday morning. Really looking like it may not be any warmer than about 17 degrees. And look at the places showing up around 11, 13. Yeah, that's not what we want to see. So what about the afternoon on Tuesday? I actually think it's going to be a little bit cooler since we're starting so cool. I think we're only going to manage the mid-40s in most locations, maybe the upper 40s in the southwestern part of the area. Sunny skies, but the wind is still going to be with us. Not as bad as today, but I've still got to call it breezy in the afternoon with gusts around 20 miles per hour. So, once again, it's not going to feel as warm as the temperatures indicate. We're talking about feels like temperatures in most places, probably only in the upper 30s, maybe some in the low 40s. But I think a lot of us may just top out as those feels like temperatures in the upper 30s. Okay, so what about Tuesday night? Well, once again, a very cold night, very similar to tonight. The difference, though, even though we're going to be seeing lots of teens, and we might end up seeing even more teens. I'm not ruling that out. Doesn't look like it'll be any warmer than about 20, 21 degrees. There's not going to be very much wind, though, so I'm not really going to call it a wind chill factor with winds around 5 miles per hour. But again, near record lows, once again, Tuesday night. Finally, on Wednesday, some improvement now. Temperature's still below normal, but we're going the right direction. We're talking about probably no cooler than the upper 50s. A lot of us probably get into the low 60s and maybe even some mid 60s in the southwestern part of the area. Probably mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies. Still no chance of rain, and fortunately the wind's continuing to die down in the afternoon on Wednesday. Not really too concerned about a wind chill factor. Winds are only going to be around 10 miles per hour.